Guys, I did this back in 2020, this vision board. Real quick, some of the stuff, 80% I've gotten already. So I did this in 2020. I joined a doctoral program. I will be graduating in two weeks with my PhD. I went to Paris last year with my mother and family. I do want to become a professor. I started a YouTube. I'm not at 100,000 views yet. I am going to cruise. I always want to take a cruise with family and friends, a big cruise, nieces and nephews, everybody doing that. Staying on my health, even though I'm busy, was in my doctoral program, all this other stuff, I still stay focused, new business owner. I still stay focused on my health. That right there with the rings, finally, I think I got a significant other, so that looks promising. So I, finally got a partner in crime. PhD, again, I'll be getting that in 2 weeks. My spirituality, I just got off a 3-day fast. I've been on point with that, been paying my tithes. So the two people, Eric Thomas and Oprah Winfrey. Eric Thomas is a motivational speaker, the best in the world right now. I want to be a motivational speaker like him. And Oprah, I just love Oprah. I would like to be a millionaire, and I wanted a car like that. So it's a few things I haven't gotten on there, but they're coming. Also, we want to look at visualizing. Now, let me close this door real quick. I'm almost done, guys. We want to look at visualizing your dreams and stuff. Again, this is some examples I just got off the internet. So faith, dreams, inspire, and you create this digitally. You can get the old school poster board, get magazines, cut it out. And what I do